student government, I often remember the core values that we present: commitment, compassion, dedication, integrity, stewardship, leadership, and excellence. Short statements, yet they speak volumes about the need for active participation of studentry in the realization of Katipunan National High School and objectives and aspirations by maintaining the high standards for student service. The portrait of these ideas evolves in the different context of Supreme Student Government with one very basic goal: quality student school service.
With that being said, it is with sheer enthusiasm that I value the honor of serving and working with you. To our school head, Miss Maria Luceta Esperanzona, thank you so much, ma'am, for the trust and support you have gallantly rendered. To our advisor, Miss Ludivine C. Almini, thank you very much, ma'am, for your unrelenting administrative and moral support in all of our projects. I am indebted and flattered to be given the opportunity and to be working with you. To my fellow officers, you have shared no responsibility, whether required by our duties or asked as a favor from you. And who all throughout have supported and has never questioned the wisdom of my decision, integrity, and motives. With you all, thank you. To my fellow students and friends who never uttered a word of complaint, but who instead lightened my load of responsibility, thank you for supporting me and being with me all through this time. To my teachers, thank you for the positive and constructive criticisms. I have learned so much from you, and I will be forever indebted to you. Thank you for helping us making it through.
Shout out kay J. Lucero
Support
Guapo.
from you,
Shout out si J. Lucero Guapo.
and do even more.
Shout out.
Being an SSLG president has been a fulfilling journey. I hope I have proven worthy to the trust you gave me.
To our successor, may you continue to ignite the blazing fire of Katipunan National High School and SSLG for a better and brighter future. May you continue to support and pursue its advocacies and aspirations. In your quest for quality student service, I am looking forward for the laudable move toward viable partnership between teachers and SSLG officers, where the ultimate beneficiaries are our fellow students.
So I, Mark A.G. Bigulay, SSLG President of Batch 2025, by virtue of power vested upon me, I hereby turn over the key that symbolizes your responsibility. To the new sets of officers, you'll be the key to the future of Katipunan National High School.
Now that the responsibility has been passed to a new breed of leaders, I pray that God has a bright plan for Katipunan National High School. Carry on, SSLG. Thank you and God bless. Mabuhay.
Forward to amplifying the Supreme Secretary
Secondary Girls Government as the authoritative voice of the student union. As part of the new leadership, we will seek to carefully develop camaraderie among the teachers, officers, and the students.
We believe that this is a great responsibility and we are committed to the execution of our duties to earn the confidence that you have placed on us. We draw strength from knowing that in the term ahead, we will be serving as part of a committed team. Moreover, to our friends and fellow students, thank you for your utmost support. We will work without ceasing to live up to it. Now that the key of responsibility had been passed on to us, we end this with the words as we acknowledge the grace and guidance of the one God. God bless our dear alma mater. God bless to the new sets of officers. God bless and good luck seniors. May the Almighty bless us and preserve us for the great task that awaits us. Once again,
Good evening and thank you very much.